I filed for my to remove condition on my visa
Yes.
back in March last year, 2017,
Uh-huh.
and then I went ahead and they gave me the 1 year extension. It expired, and then I went ahead and got the other stamp to make me legal in this country.
Mm-hmm.
So my question is, I saw today on my status, it shows that my case was moved from California Service Center to my local office.
Right.
So my question is,
What does that mean?
what does that mean to my case?
It means you're going to get an interview very soon.
My daughter is married to a U.S. citizen, and she did her fingerprints in December of 2017 and hasn't heard a thing since. Is that normal?
No, it's not normal. You're totally screwed up. After you've done your fingerprints and you haven't gotten a work permit within 4 months of your fingerprinting, that's a problem. That something was done wrong. You need to come see me.
My husband filed I-130 for me in February, so I get back a receipt number saying that they received the paper the 27th of February. So then I recently now filed the other paperwork for the work permits and the green card and whatever. So my question is, like, for my green card interview, like, would they start counting from February or start counting from this time when I just send off the rest of the paper?
The rest of the paper, unfortunately.
So they will start counting from now.
Correct.
Where I just send off the work permit and everything?
What do you mean when you sent off the work permit? They said you were missing some documents, so you had to send it back, correct?
No, I first filed I-130 in February.
Oh, okay, yes. So and then you
right.
filed it's from the time you filed the I-45. I understand.
Oh,
Not
so it's from the
not-
time I filed
I-45.
for the green card.
Correct, correct.
Okay, so when do you think I will be getting an interview?
When was the green card filed?
Last week.
Last week? Oh, you're about 9 months away.
Yeah.
9 months away.
9 months. All right, then.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Hang in there.
How long does it take to get an I-130 petition approved?
It used to take 6 months. It's now taking 9 to 10 months. If you're doing it based as an immediate relative, meaning you're married to a U.S. citizen, or you're filing for your child under 21, or you're filing for your parent and you're a U.S. citizen. If you're filing it for an adult son or daughter and you're the U.S. citizen or resident, it could take many years. Brothers and sisters, many years. So it depends on who you're petitioning.
I'm a citizen here in New York, in America. Now, I got my daughter, I applied for my daughter, her papers already, gone through to start processing. But her fiancé is up here, too, in the States. She is not in the States. So he wants to get married to her. Now, what would be the procedure for him to file for her, even though I already filed for her?
Well,
Could he still file for her?
Absolutely. You could have more than one case going at the same time. I assume she's over 21. So your case will take years and years and years. He's a citizen. He can either file as a fiancé and bring her up and marry her here. That would be the fastest way. Or alternatively, he can go to Guyana and marry her, but that will take a little longer. The fastest way is the fiancé visa.
I have a question for you. I was in the 10-year, what is it called, that 10-year thing where you went to court and I won the case. Yes. Mm-hmm. I won the case.
Congratulations.
And thank you. And the attorney said in 2 weeks I would receive the documents, but I did not. He said they will send it from upstairs to downstairs. It will come in the mail in 2 weeks. What is going on? I still haven't received anything. It's 6 weeks now.
Because you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait a long time, unfortunately.
Why?
You didn't have a green card at the time. You went from out of status to green card. Is that correct?
Right.
Right, because they only allow the adjustment of $10,000 per year. So there's more than 10,000 who win their cases in any given year. So unfortunately, unless they haven't reached the 10,000 mark, which I believe they have, and there's a huge backlog, you may be waiting a long time.
But the judge said she got a number.
Oh, well, then if you got a number, then congratulations. Yeah. So then you should be getting it.
So why is 6 weeks now and I haven't received it? Because I've been waiting 6 years already,
I know, but immigration takes a long time. It does
take
a long time. Be patient. If the judge told you that there is an actual green card for you, not that your case is approved, but you're on a waiting list because there's only 10,000 per year. If the judge said there's a number, it should happen within 90 days. 120 days.
Oh, within 90 days. Okay,
90
so
to
it's 6
120
weeks
days.
now, so I'll give it some more time.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Congratulations.
All right. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
In case of a denial from USCIS on a spousal visa, I know you can appeal, but what's the appeal timeline, and is it advisable to hire an attorney for the appeal? Would it be faster if an attorney was involved?
It's not faster, but I can tell you if you already didn't win your case and you think you're going to win an appeal, you are sadly mistaken. Whether or not you should appeal really depends on whether immigration made a mistake or they were correct. Because if they're correct, there's nothing to appeal. Okay? If they made a mistake, then you may want to appeal, you may want to refile again. But before you do anything, have a good attorney review it all.
What could possibly be the reason for no decision after 9 months after my green card interview was done?
Lots of reasons. Your fingerprints didn't clear. They think there's fraud. You're excludable in some or inadmissible in some respect. The immigration officer fell asleep at the wheel. They lost your file. You're missing documents. I can go on and on and on and on. There's like 10,000 reasons why. The only way to find out is start asking the immigration officer and start harassing him. You can come to me. We can do it, or you can do it. Somebody's got to do it.